state the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, she is.
Ms. Herrera, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine. There's no application for deferred adjudication. The state recommends community supervision. They will take in consideration night mag number 674-156, 674-155, 688-948. There's $57 restitution to the Bear County Crime Lab for testing, term of 8 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead guilty? Not
Notice how she waives the right to live testimony. In these plea deals, the defendant is essentially agreeing that the police reports are factually accurate, which saves the state the time and expense of a full trial.
guilty or no contest.
No.
State, any evidence?
State offer State Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objection.
Mr. Ray, I'm showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented. How far did you go in school?
I just graduated, got my diploma. I am gonna go back to school for cosmetology and business.
So how old are you?
I'm 28.
All right, when you say you just got your diploma, is that your high school diploma?
No, I just barely didn't get it. That's the only thing I went up to. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you're released, where are you going to be living?
5235.
No, I mean,
With my mom. I'm sorry.
that's okay. I don't like people to give out their addresses.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. So you say you're living with your mom. Who else lives with your mom?
Just my brother, my baby brother, and my sister.
All right, and how old are your baby brother and
My
sister?
baby brother is gonna be 10 years old in 3 days, and my sister, she's 17.
So what are you planning on doing for employment?
For employment, I waitress. Yes, I'm a server, so I'm gonna go get my job. I'm gonna go see if they get me back. I got my seafood and grits.
All right, when's the last time you were a waitress?
I was a waitress a year ago.
At what place?
The Camarón Pelado Seafood and Grill on San Samora.
All right, Brenna, I think you probably, okay, slow that down.
Come on, one.
I'm gonna name the restaurant, Brenna. But I ordered gumbo and people say, why are you at a Mexican restaurant ordering gumbo? So if I were to order gumbo at this place, is it good?
Yes, ma'am. You'll like everything they have on seafood. Guaranteed.
All right, I'm gonna add that to my list.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I'll see you there.
Okay. And remember that you like me very much when you see me there.
No, yes, I will. Don't worry, I got you. I got you, don't worry.
People always say, Brenda, they're like, what places you going out to eat? Do you run into people who are on probation? I'm like, do. They're like, that's very brave of you. So I'm always like, hopefully they like me and they're just going to give me a great meal. And they're like, there's nothing wrong with the meal. It's great.
No, I got you. Don't worry.
All right. So does your mom want you living with her?
Yes.
All right.
Well,
So,
it's actually my house. So, well, not my house, but my fiance's house. So,
all right. So does the fiance live there as well?
no, he doesn't live there.
Follow her rules.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just excited.
Okay. Well, I will tell you, they're probably not going to release you till.
That suspended part is the sword of Damocles. It means she isn't going to prison today. But if she messes up even once, that 8-year sentence can be triggered instantly without a new trial for the original crime.
midnight or 1 a.m.
That's perfectly fine with me.
Okay. And that's nothing to do with us because we process immediately. That's something to do on their end.
Yes,
And defense, you can speak to them and see. All right, I'm gonna sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There's $1,000 fine. That'll be probated. Take in consideration night mag number 674-156, 674-155, 688-949. There's $57 restitution to the lab. And so when's the last time you used drugs before coming into custody?
3 days before,
All right, and what were you using?
I was using tackle.
Bashan, on the TAP evaluation, if it comes back with inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. If it comes back with outpatient treatment, I still want to start with intensive outpatient treatment. All right, I'm going to do sober meetings. I want 90 meetings in 90 days. Here's the thing about sober meetings. They're all throughout the city. You can do them at whatever time.
Okay.
My goal is for you to be clean and sober.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you need to do 5 meetings a week, 10 meetings a week, that's not going to impact you completing your probation because you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does, and you'll know what you need to do in order to remain sober.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're going to do regular reporting by Zoom or in person.
Okay,
I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month. And probation with regards to the field visits, if you want to count her for months. And then probation, you can start tapering that off if she's doing well.
thank you.
You're welcome. 200 hours of community service restitution, 40 of those hours we waive. If you provide proof of the COVID vaccination with the booster. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of the hours will be waived.
Okay,
I'm going to want proof of employment within 30 days.
okay,
There should be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. And there should be no unsupervised contact with minors. That can be revisited once you're on the path to sobriety.
okay.
So what that means is your mom can't leave the
Yes.
10-year-old with
No,
you.
that's fine.
Okay. Vashawn, is there anything else you need?
No, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
You already did a very good job on that.
Okay. All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. So in this court, in order to be successful on probation, communication is key.
Oh, yes.
If it's Elisa Marie Herrera, can I have parties announced for the record for the state
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
defense?
Lindsay Shaw for Ms. Herrera.
And here is the turning point. After the friendly gumbo talk, we see the reality. She went totally ghost on her PO for 4 months, which is a massive red flag that usually indicates a return to drug use.
Are you Miss Herrera?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Elisa Marie Herrera who's placed on community supervision and cause number 2022 CR 10343 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on December 20th, 2022 for a term of 8 years? Is that you? All right, I'm gonna need you to make sure you speak up.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
State.
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Elisa Marie Herrera, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, and April 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It's true.
Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
Any objections?
And Judge, I'll first start off by saying Ms. Herrera has written a letter to Your Honor. She wanted Your Honor to read that letter. And
Any
then,
objection to the court reading the letter?
No, Your Honor.
All right, just give me a moment. Okay, I have read the letter.
so Judge, Ms. Herrera comes here today, not with excuses. She understands that it's a mistake to not have reported. But she has explanations. She'll tell the court that she has been gainfully employed for 7 months. She's a waitress at the Cameron Palado Seafood and Grill. She has a 3-month-old daughter, with her husband. And she also recently learned through her husband's brother that her husband did that to her friends has gone unresolved. But because of that, she suffers from PTSD, and that was a reason why she struggled to report to probation, why she struggled to do what she's supposed to do. She's tried to better herself by having gainful employment. She's had a daughter, and she's just asking this court to give her another chance at some form of terms of probation that would allow her to be released from prison or from jail and do some sort of, what we're asking is for outpatient treatment with whatever kind of conditions and classes the court would want to order her to do. She's made it abundantly clear to me that she would be willing to have a GPS monitor. And she would like a chance to prove to this court that even though
The judge's skepticism is showing here. In the court's eyes, if you were too traumatized to report to a PO, you should have called your attorney or the court months ago, not waited until you were caught and arrested.
she's made mistakes by not reporting, she would like a second chance to get out of jail, be with her 3-month-old daughter, and be supportive of her husband.
All right.
So we're asking that you,
Where's your husband?
My husband wasn't here at the time. He was in Washington. He's from Washington, DC.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
So how often were you using while you were not reporting?
I wasn't using that.
I find that hard to believe. And let me just tell you why I find that hard to believe. And I'm going to tell you something right now.
Yes, ma'am.
The whole outpatient thing, I'm not going to allow that if I continue you, because I had already tried intensive outpatient treatment with you.
Yes, ma'am.
What have you done on probation that would warrant me continuing you on probation? Have you done anything?
No, ma'am.
Why
That's
not?
I'm asking for reinstatement
No. Why have you done nothing?
because it messed me up so to the point where I didn't even want to come outside my house.
When did this happen?
It happened in September 29th of last year,
So,
before my probation,
all right.
right before I got on it. Yes, and to this day they haven't found the person that had.
No,
killed
I'm
and
talking, what does that have to do?
It just messed me up. I'm sorry.
No, but why didn't you
I know it was.
tell us that? I mean, we don't have crystal balls. We can't read
No, I know. I understand.
and discover what's going on in people's life.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Any questions?
None for the state.
Probation,
Yes, John.
what are you recommending? It is Elisa Marie Herrera.
We considered one new charges with corporation. We would recommend felony drug court with SATA. You could do a felony drug court referral and then SATA 120 to 100.
The drug problem, who now is telling me she has mental health problems as well, looking at after the child and being around people who would be in a situation, which I'm not blaming the complainant, but it's odd that you're at a hotel with some friends. The father of your child is from Washington. Somebody just knocks on a hotel room door and comes in and shoots, you say, 2 of your friends, but they do not shoot you.
Yeah,
Are they from San Antonio?
yes, ma'am. It happened right there at the Washington courts on
So-
West Commerce.
That's what I'm saying. You have 2 friends who are from San Antonio who are at a hotel. You're at a hotel with them.
Yes,
Somebody knocks on the door and they kill your 2 friends.
This is the ultimate hammer. The judge is allowing her to stay out of prison, but stripping her of the right to be alone with her own infant. It's a devastating but common condition when a parent is struggling with active addiction and safety concerns.
But they do nothing with you.
How do you think I saw?
No, I mean, I want you to
No,
see
I
where I'm going with this.
understand. No, I don't get it. either
Here's the
at all.
thing. That means that there was something going on at that hotel room, possibly, that should not be going on. Because there's no way somebody's knocking at a door
I
of a
don't know.
hotel room where your 2 friends who are from San Antonio are living at the hotel and you're visiting them. there's something else going on. To include a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then probation. We can try SATF. And if SATF doesn't accept her, she's going to safety. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. So that includes your 3-month-old. You're going to need to make sure that there is somebody there who is responsible. And you're supposed to be residing with your mother.
Yes, ma'am. My mom lives right there in Athens, Texas. That's why. So I moved over here to San Antonio, Texas.
She's to reside with her mother when she leaves here. You're going to be residing with your mother if your mother allows it.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
If she's not accepted. I would hold off on.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you need from this court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. And Bashan, go ahead and do a mental health evaluation as well.